Hi there, I am Raja Rao. I am lead Zimlet developer here at Zimbra, and this is a quick demo of Salesforce and Chatter Zimlet. Before we move on, if you have never heard of Zimbra, Zimbra is a leading open source email and collaboration suite. We currently have about 55 million plus paid mailboxes, and some of our customers include Comcast, Stanford University, H&R Block, etc. And for more information, please visit www.zimbra.com. And that brings us to the next question: what's a Zimlet? Zimlet is essentially a plugin or an app, but for Zimbra collaboration suite. And Zimlets are open source and also allows developers to quickly create some really powerful plugins. Okay, so that brings us to Zimlet's objective. As you know, most people spend most of their time on email platforms and have a lot of their customer information in emails, attachments, etc. And because of that, they may not take advantage of the revolutionary Chatter as much as they could. So the main objective of the Zimlet is to bring the power of Salesforce and Chatter right into the Zimbra platform, and then help people take advantage of all the goodies that Chatter and Salesforce offers. Okay, let's see it in action. Okay, you're looking at Zimbra email, and once you install Salesforce, it shows up over here to the left. And in order to configure Salesforce account, you simply click on it and you enter your Salesforce information, and pressing OK is going to save your credentials. Okay, so once you configure your Salesforce account, and let's say you get an email from some contacts and leads that using the Salesforce, you immediately see that information right within the email. And if you expand it, you will see more information about that contact or lead, and you can also view them and edit them and do all sorts of things to these items. Salesforce Bot is very powerful, and it also provides a bunch of other functionalities. Like, for example, if you want to add a note about this email, so just click on Add Notes, and it shows all the contacts and related objects. And you can also create a brand new contact if it's not available, or lead, and say if that lead and contacts are already available, or if you want to add a case or something, you can look it up, and then you can include that case for the notes. And since this is a Chatter demo, let me move on. So as you can see here, you get a link to follow this particular item. The beauty of Chatter is that you can follow any of the items, so you can directly follow any of these account, contacts, or leads right from here. Okay, so that was the first big integration point, and let me move on to the second one. Let's say you get an email that has a support case number in it, and the minute you get such an email, we allow you to do a lot of things based on that case number. Okay, so let me mouse over on this support case. Okay, so as you can see, immediately you get to see all the details about this particular support case, and you can also send a Chatter post to this particular support case. So let me try it out. The minute I sent it, you can see this number over here became 15 from 14. Okay, so this tooltip also offers more functionalities, like you can close the case, edit case in Salesforce. You can also change the support cases properties like status, case reason, etc. right from the tooltip. Okay, so let's move on to the big one, the Chatter app itself. So the minute you click on it, you can see the Chatter app opens. At a high level, the Chatter app has a multi-wall design, so that you could see multiple people's walls, and also your favorite account or support case, etc. walls right simultaneously without having to go back and forth. Okay, so let's take a look at the overview to the left over here. So at the top you have a home folder and also a profile, which is basically your own feeds, and also we allow you to filter it based on users and objects, because a lot of times people don't want to mix account or support case or some other objects information with people's information. So you could basically click on this, and then you can open just the users, or you can just see the objects. So if you see the objects, only has right now it only has the account and some lead other information. Along with that, you can also see feeds of just accounts or individual objects like accounts, support case, contacts, etc. Along with those filters, we also provide you to only see all those cards that you like and that you need. So you can close them all out and keep only those things that you want to see. So, and we also allow you to mark things as read, so you don't have to reread them. So for example, you can come here and then you can just say mark as read, and it basically hides all your feeds. So that way you can kind of keep it clean and while also monitoring the information. Okay, let's see what all we could do within a wall. Obviously you can send a test chatter, and not only that, you could say you want to comment to someone else's, so you can say this. And other than that, you can also say you have this guy here and you want to directly write on his wall, so you can just click on that link and you can now write on his wall, although you are still using your own wall. So now you can see on the third deck over here, so this guy also got the message that you posted. So the other thing obviously you could do is you can directly come here and you can post a chatter. Okay, one final thing I'd like to demo is attaching files. So this Zimlet allows you to attach files from your computer, and also you can attach files directly from Zimbra's briefcase. You can even attach Zimbra emails, and we also have Flickr integrations and stuff. So right now it's not enabled, but you could attach photos right from Flickr as well. That's pretty much the demo. Let me see. Okay, so a few notes. So this Zimlet is going to be free, and also the support is also going to be free. And you can download it from gallery.zimbra.com. Some other notes: you don't need to be a paid Zimbra customer to use this. We have a offline Zimbra desktop version, and you could download it, and you can also download and install a free open source Zimbra edition, and also run Zimlets within that as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching the demo, and hope you enjoyed it.